Standard 5th Subject Computer. Today we are going to learn lesson number 13, Update on Windows 10 and Word 2016 Part 3. Smart Lookup in Word 2016. Word 2016 provides a research tool in the form of Smart Lookup. You can find information about a word or phrase by selecting it in your document and then by right-clicking on the selection, then select Smart Lookup. Right-click a word or highlight a group of words and right-click them. And from the menu that appears, select Smart Lookup. Word then uses Microsoft search engine to do a search on the word or phrase and displays the result in the pane that appears on the right side of the screen. Ink equations in Word 2016. One of the new features in Office 2016 is ink equation. This feature allows you to insert equations into Word, Excel and PowerPoint by handwriting them. The ink equation dialog box displays using the mouse to write your equation in the light yellow grid area. You'll see a very small black dot that's your cursor for writing your equation. The grid area will expand up and to the right as needed. Including math equation has been much easier in Word document. Students, with ink equation option, you can include a complex math equation in your document. You can also erase, select and correct what you have written as you go. Step 2. Include complex equation. First, go to Insert. Select Insert. Then click on Equation and then select Ink Equation. Share your document in Word 2016. In Word 2016, files can be shared by using OneDrive or Office 365 SharePoint. Now students, OneDrive means what? OneDrive is the Microsoft Cloud service that connects you to all your files. It lets you store and protect your files, share them with others, and get to them from anywhere on all your devices. Now student, SharePoint is a platform within Office 365 that provides an extensive range of collaborative and creative capabilities, enabling organizations to share, manage and access information from almost any device. You can do all the sharing within a Word. You can share a copy of your document by email as an attached Word, PDF or XPS file or as an internet fax. Step to share document in Word. You can share a document with other people so that they can view and edit it. They don't even need a OneDrive account. To share a document in OneDrive, select the document you want to share and click Sharing. Select Share in the top right corner of the ribbon. In the Send a Link window, type the email address of the person you want to share the document with. Type a personal message and choose Sharing option. If you want to share the document with more than one person, then separate multiple email address by typing tab, comma or semicolon. click share. The people you share the document with will get an email with a link to the document that they can open in their web browser. If you gave them permission, they can edit the document in Word online. Thank you.